See this, guys? By just clicking ads and referring people, you can see $909. Okay, and only 930 people he has referred. And you can see this, guys. A person from in someone country, $596 every single day. How people are actually earning this much amount of money by just clicking ads. If you want to earn from these websites, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step, guys, how free of cost, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you can earn a good amount of money from this website. Okay. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just clicking on some ads, and people are actually earning a good amount of money from this website. Okay, so first of all I'll just show you guys how people are earning. Okay, you can just come up here in the leaderboard and you can see how people are actually earning, guys. You can see this. So just see this. See this. $908. You can see this, a person in some country, he is earning, and you can see that, guys, only 930 referrals he is having, and you can see how total earning he has done, and every single day $300 he is earning. Another person $596. Do you want to know how you can earn and how you boost your earning? Okay, so just follow along this video. So there are different ways. You can see this, by guys, pay to click ads. Okay, Skippy PTC ads. Okay, Bits Wall BTC ads, and lots of offers that you can see. Okay, so we'll see how individual things are working. Okay, just click on this register button. Okay, and I'll show you how you can do it. So there is some small registration process that you need to follow, guys. Okay, so what you need to give here, your name. Okay, just I'll show you how you can do it. So I just gave my name. Okay, my username. Okay, your mail address, confirm your mail address, your password, again enter your password. Okay, give your PayPal information, guys, give your mail ID of PayPal. Okay, so this is best way to give, and there are other payment methods that is suit you. So PayPal is best payment option. Security questions, guys, security questions. Your first pet name. Okay, I can give any name. Okay, and another security question that you need to give, guys, very important. Okay, and your date of birth, guys, that you need to give. Okay, so quickly do it, and your birthplace that you need to give. Okay, select your gender and just fill this security captcha. Okay, just give it very precisely. Okay, just click on these rules and just click on this register. Okay, and you are good to go. See this, just you need to wait for this time, and you can see that, guys, we have sent you an email address to your inbox, and just you need to click on this activation account. Okay, so I just quickly do the activation from my mail. So you can see this, guys, I just come up here. You can see this, this is a link that you can see, and this is a verification mail that you need to enter, and you are good to go, guys. Okay, you can see this. Okay, just click on this send this activation ID, it will automatically do, and just click on this send ID, and it is very important for you. Okay, so what you need to do right now, guys, you can see we would like to welcome you as a new member, a way of earning on the internet. Okay, so what I need to do, just click on this login button, and you just need to log in here. Okay, with your username. Okay, and just need to enter your password. Okay, just fill this captcha. So people are actually asking me to why are you doing so much things, why are you doing this registration process? Because, guys, I don't want you guys to miss even a single opportunity. If I just want to tell you these kind of tips and tricks, then you need to follow my video, okay, if you want to earn more. So see this guys, you need to enter your security question, so which is very important for you to do the validation part. And you are in your account guys, you can see this, okay, you are in the account section. So just close it and you can see this guys, this is your dashboard, okay, how you can do it. And just click on this earn money. You can see this guys, how much potential it will show you to do the earning part, okay. So just click on this paid to click ads, okay, and you can see this. So we need to first validate this captcha, okay, which will help you so that guys you do not stuck in any of these process, okay. So these captchas are very important to you, for you to see that you are a genuine person or not, okay. So what you need to do guys, you can see this, you just need to spend just 10 seconds on this website and you are getting paid, okay. So just need to wait for this advertisement to load. You can see this loading part should be completed until the end, and just wait for this time, okay. I'm just showing you step by step what to do, okay. You can see this guys, okay, you can see this, you are watching. So click to upside down button, okay. So this is a captcha that you need to follow, okay. Just click on this close button and you get this money, okay. So just click on this another thing that you need to fill. Just spend some 10 seconds, you just need to just see this, okay, until it is completed, fully completed. Just you need to spend some time in this website and you can see this upside down. So the upside down image is this, okay. So fill this captcha and just close it, okay. So it's very easy for you to do, okay. Another thing is, you can see this guys, 10 seconds, another website, you can see this, okay. So there are different types of websites that you can do it, okay. And now it's very easy for you to do the part, okay. Why? Because guys, you are good to go, okay, you are good to go. You can see this, you just need to fill this captcha and that's it, okay. Just close it, okay. So now you can do it. These are the standard ads, so that you can earn more, okay, as compared to other things. Micro ads, now you can do it, okay. So there are some contests as well guys, okay. You can see this Skippy ads, other ads as well, okay, which will increase your income on this leaderboard. You can see this guys, you can see this my balance, okay. You can see my balance, it is continuously increasing, okay. So if you want to just click on this button and you just need to spend some time. So there are hundreds and hundreds of ads guys, okay. So people are asking me a question that say, please tell me something that will give us more insight, okay. You can see this Skippy ad, just need to click on this thing and you are good to go, okay. Just spend some time on this, okay. Just complete it, just cross it, and you have earned this much amount of money, okay. Just clicking some ads and you are getting paid. You can see this, okay. So this is what it means, okay. So that's it guys, you just need to cross it, okay. That's it. So now you know how to earn money from this website, okay. Other ads are Bitswall ads, okay. So you can see these kind of ads. So guys, if you are utilizing your free time on a certain type of things, then it's good, okay. You can see this is another type of ad where you just need to spend this much amount of loading time, okay, and you are good to go. So these are certain ads which will earn. So guys, another thing I just want to show you is to how to earn, which will boost your income to the next level, okay. So just complete this ad and I'll show you how to boost your income with the another to the next level, and you are good to go for this, okay. You can see this, I'm not a robot, okay. So pick the image that doesn't belong to a row, okay. So this is an image that doesn't belong to a row, okay. So these are the small captchas that you now can fill, easily. Okay, so just cross it, guys. Now I hope you can do these kind of things, and just come up here in the account section. Okay, and you can see your balance. Okay, so how to withdraw our money. Okay, so let me just first show you how to withdraw. So just click on this withdraw option. Okay, just personal settings. Okay, and you can see your personal email ID. You can see this my PayPal account. Make sure that you have given your PayPal account. Okay, so in order to get your money in your PayPal account, just click on this account button. Okay, so guys, there are different kind of payment methods that you have seen. Okay, my account balance, my purchase balance, my already received balance, and these are certain balances that you will get throughout. There are certain offers that you receive and other things. Okay, so you can see this withdraw now. Okay, just click on this withdraw now, and you can see minimum balance to retrieve is $3. Okay, so you can see this minimum cash out is $3, and you will get your money in your PayPal account automatically by just doing these small kind of things. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so now what you need to do, guys, I just want to show you that will boost your earning. Okay, that will boost your earning. So I just wanna tell you that you can do the referral part as well. So guys, what you need to do, just come up here in affiliate banner. Okay, just you need to click on this affiliate banner, and you are come up here, and you can receive your affiliate link from this. Okay, so this is my affiliate link. Okay, just copy this affiliate link and just come up here in Facebook. Okay, just come up here in your Facebook, and what you need to do, guys, just simple, you just come up here and just try to give your targeted audience. Okay, you can see this, just come up here, earn money. Okay, you just need to type here earn money, and you are good to go. And just wait for this time, and you can see this, guys, you can see this. Okay, so per group, how many members, guys? 86k. And I have shown you, guys, I have shown you the leaderboard. Okay, if you just come up here in your leaderboard, how much a top referral has done. 930 people he has refer, and he is earning $909. Guys, you can see the potential here. This is just one group. 990, or we can say that 1000 people, if we can refer here, it would be easy, because these are the targeted audience who want to earn money online. And if we just post our link, okay, this is a public group, you can see, if I just post this link, you can see this, earn money online by just clicking ads. Okay, if you just put this type of link and just copy paste this link, and you can see this, guys, it's very easy. Just post it and you are good to go. You can see this. Okay, so it has been in the approval for this group member. Okay, so it's obviously, guys, it's very good opportunity for you to just post your link over this this member also. Okay, these members are also looking for this. Okay, the same thing, click and earn ads. Okay, what? Click and earn money by from ads. Okay, you just type from ads. Okay, just post your link and just post it. That's simple, guys, that's simple. Okay, and now you can do it. You can see this, guys, it has not been in the review, and there are how much member? 86,000 members. And if individual member is doing it, okay, the people who are actually seeing this advertisement, they just want to earn this and just come up here with my affiliate link, and they are started earning. Okay, and per referral you can see that how much I can earn. Just 930 people he has refer, and he is earning passively. Guys, one way is you just come up here or clicking ads, okay, or by just posting here, and it is passive income. Okay, so another way is reddit.com, guys. Reddit.com will offer you, there are different kinds of groups over this reddit.com. You can see this earn money online. You just need to type earn money online. Okay, You just need to type earn money online. You can see this, guys, earn money online. You just need to type, and you can see this, how much people are there. You can see there 293k members, 494k members. You do the same thing, guys. Just you need to do the same thing. Comment down, just click on this sign up with your Google account, and that's it. Okay, so these are the two things that I have shared with you guys that will boost your income to the next level, and you will be the next in this leaderboard. Okay, minimum payout is $3, and you are getting paid for that. I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to subscribe this channel and hit the like button, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content and give you more earning sources. Thank you so much, guys.